No, stop playing with my hair.
Kikeriki!
Gah.
Yeah!
Gah.
Oh, wait. I didn't see the comments.
Gah. You forgot the comments, Chihuahua?
I forgot the comments!
Chihuahua!
Sorry!
Chihuahua! Come on! What am I
this.
paying you for? What am I paying you for, Chihuahua?
You're not paying me!
Let's just not talk about that.
Okay. Hello, Kikeriki! I am Takanashi Kiara Ch, and this is...
Calliope ww.
No, fuck you, advertisements!
You don't have ad block!
No, this is my private account.
Are you shitting me? You don't have ad block on your private account?
I can't afford it. Look at me, I'm made out of socks.
Are you kidding me? I don't believe you. Somehow I just don't believe you. Hey. Hey.
Ah!
Hello, chat.
We're Takamori sock version today.
Yep.
Today I have
anime
help.
eyes.
I have 4 hands today.
Ooh, me too. No
What
way,
the
girlfriend. Let's go.
And today might possibly also be the debut of Ghost Cat.
Please no. Please no.
Well, so today, I'm finally not alone with my sock puppets.
Yeah.
Yeah, the life inside Kawaii Mori is actually her, so...
Yeah, I used to love the Muppets, so here I
We get
am.
some realistic acting. Oh, by the way, like, how are you holding up inside there? Is it
Well,
like...
you know, my brains are falling out every once in a while, but what can you do?
What I do is, like, I put my small finger and the ring finger, like, here.
Oh, okay, small finger,
I think
ring
it's,
finger.
like, easier to hold like that. And my thumb is, like, on also pushing up the mouth here.
Oh, okay. Finger,
See?
ring finger.
So really only those two pointy fingers and the
middle
finger
the fuck you finger?
is in there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Like these. Ah, I see.
How to sock puppets.
Hey, that's pretty good.
So
These are wacky.
yeah,
These are
aren't
pretty
they?
wacky.
I'm like, oh my god, I didn't even show you yet. I think my proudest creation is this one.
That's pretty good. I love the teeth. You really went to town on those. Did you do the same for Gura? Check 1 2, check 1 2. Hey, check 1 2, check 1 2. Good evening, Mori. Good evening, deadbeats. Sorry for the wait. I'm here now, though. Thank you so much for waiting for me. Loud and clear. Oh, good. I'm glad to hear that. Thank you so much for coming tonight. Today is going to be, very, very